A very good evening to all 11th standard students of St. John's. I hope that you are all very busy in celebrating your festival. But still I am sending you the video class. Even if you don't have time today to see the video class and write the classwork, you can do the same on Sunday or even on Monday. Anyhow, I'm sending the class. If you don't have time, you can see the video and write the classwork on Monday also. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. And yesterday we started our chapter number 6, right? Two-dimensional analytical geometry. And we have seen only one definition while we started the chapter, called locus. And with that one definition, we did many problems. Now we will pass on for the next topic, called straight lines, angle of inclination and slope. Some diagrams are given here, x-axis, y-axis. Imagine that this is the straight line L. I will name the line. Let this be the straight line L. And this is the angle made by the straight line with respect to x-axis. Always we should measure the angle in counterclockwise direction, positive direction, anti-clockwise direction. So this is called theta. We should not measure like this. The angle is measured like this, theta. And another diagram is here where the line is like this. And again, if you see, the angle created is anti-clockwise direction. If we measure, this is called theta. So this theta, that is the line, makes an angle with respect to x-axis and is denoted as theta. That theta is called as angle of inclination. This theta we are giving a name called angle of inclination. The meaning is the angle created by the line with x-axis. Again I repeat, what is theta? Theta is nothing but angle of inclination. Meaning is the angle made by the straight line with x-axis is called as theta. And tan theta is called the slope of the line and is denoted as m. So m means slope. The formula for slope is tan theta, where theta is called angle of inclination. If we take tan for this angle, it becomes slope of this straight line. Try to understand. Theta is nothing but angle of inclination. If we take tan for this angle, that is tan theta, then it becomes slope of the line and is denoted as m. So in note, we are going to see few things. Slope of horizontal line is 0. Suppose, for example, if a line is like this, horizontal, that is parallel to x-axis. Such lines, horizontal line means a line which is parallel to x-axis. So this kind of line, the slope is what? 0, because if I measure angle with x-axis, the angle is 0. Because since the line is horizontal, that is parallel to x-axis, it cannot create angle with x-axis, right? If the line is parallel to x-axis, it cannot create angle with x-axis. So angle will become 0. So tan 0 is 0. That is why slope of horizontal line is 0. And slope of vertical line is infinity. Vertical line means it should be like this. That is, it should be parallel to y-axis. This is parallel to x-axis. This is parallel to y-axis. It is called vertical line. And the slope of vertical line is given by infinity because it makes an angle 90 degree with x-axis. If this is x-axis and this is the vertical line, definitely this angle will be 90 degree. Therefore tan 90 will be infinity. So slope of vertical line is not defined or otherwise called as infinity. So what are the things that we have seen now? Theta is called angle of inclination. Tan theta is called slope of the straight line. It is denoted as m. If a horizontal line is there, slope will become 0. If a vertical line is there, then the slope of the vertical line is infinity or undefined. Note number 3, slope formula is given, minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. For example, suppose I am having a line like this, 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. If a line is like this, then if I asked to find the slope of this straight line, I can go for this formula. Slope is nothing but minus coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is 2, so minus 2 by coefficient of y is 3. So this becomes slope. M means slope. So if an equation was given, we can easily find the slope of the line using this formula, minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. And fourth note, again it is a formula for slope when 2 points on the line are known. If x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the 2 points on the straight line, then the slope of the straight line is given by this formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Next heading, different forms of an equation of a straight line. So we are going to discuss the various forms of straight line, out of which the first one is slope point form. Slope means m. One point we should know on the straight line, that point is called as x1 comma y1. When we know slope of a straight line and one point on the straight line, equation of straight line is given by this formula, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where x1 and y1 stands for the point on the straight line, m is nothing but slope of the straight line. So you should memorize this formula with heading. You should know the proper heading. Second subdivision, that is second form, slope intercept form. Here intercept means y-intercept. Again slope means m. Intercept is nothing but y-intercept. We will just give the symbol as c. C means y-intercept. The symbol is our wish. If I put b, I should use b here. If I put a, I should use a here. That's it. So the equation is given by y is equal to mx plus c, where m is called slope of the straight line, c is called y-intercept of the straight line. So slope intercept form, what is the equation of straight line means y is equal to mx plus c. M stands for slope, c stands for y-intercept. So you should learn, memorize and write and practice all these formulas. We will see the third form of a straight line now. 2 points form, it is the heading. What is the meaning? We should know 2 points on the straight line. x1, y1 is one point, x2, y2 is another point. If both the points lie on the straight line, then the equation of straight line is given by y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Formula for equation of straight line in 2 points form. Fourth format, intercepts form. If we know x-intercept and y-intercept, and suppose if x-intercept is a and y-intercept is b, then the equation of straight line is given by this formula, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is what equation of straight line in intercepts form. What is a means? X-intercept. What is the meaning of x-intercept? The line where the line meets x-axis, that is called a. Where the line meets y-axis, that is called y-intercept, it is given as b. So x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is nothing but equation of straight line in intercepts form. Read the heading properly, accordingly you learn the formula. Fifth format, normal form. So you just imagine this is the straight line. This is the straight line L. So I'll mark the line as L. So this is L. And x-axis, y-axis, this is origin. And from origin, I am drawing a perpendicular line. I am drawing a perpendicular to the line L, and it meets the line at the point M. And if the distance between O and M is given by P, and that perpendicular line makes an angle alpha with x-axis. Try to understand what I am telling. This is the line that we are going to find the equation for. What is OM? It is the perpendicular drawn from the origin. What is P? Distance of OM. What is alpha? Angle made by this perpendicular with x-axis. If this is the case, then the equation of this straight line L is given by x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where alpha stands for angle made by the perpendicular with x-axis. P stands for the distance between O and M. What is this? Equation of straight line in normal form. And final one, sixth subdivision, sixth format, parametric form, x minus x1 by cos theta equal to y minus y1 by sin theta equal to r. So theta is nothing but, we will see while doing the problem, x1 and y1 are nothing but point on the straight line. Parametric form means we should say the equation of straight line is x minus x1 by cos theta equal to y minus y1 by sin theta equal to r. So next we are going to see few problems, but what you should do, you should first learn all these formulas which is given in the theory part. First write those formulas and practice, memorize it, then go for the problem. We will go now for the problems. Problem number 10. Problem number 10. Find the equation of the lines passing through the point 1, 1 with y-intercept minus 4. I repeat, find the equation of the lines passing through the point 1, 1. So the line passes through 1, 1. Y-intercept value is given minus 4. And we don't have formula for y-intercept and point, right? So what I'm going to do is, since this is the point, I'm going to take that as x1, y1 is equal to 1, 1. Y-intercept means usually we will give the symbol C. This is our wish, we can give any symbol. Y-intercept means C. So it is given as minus 4. So C equal to minus 4. This is called Y-intercept. Now I'm going to write the equation of straight line in intercept form. If you don't understand, I'll be writing what format I am writing. Intercept form is equation of straight line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. We should know one thing carefully. What is a? X-intercept. What is b? Y-intercept. What is y-intercept value? Minus 4. Don't think c is minus 4. Here the meaning of b is y-intercept. So y-intercept value is minus 4. So we can substitute minus 4 here. Or even if we can say this is b. Could you able to understand? This is a symbol just we have given, but here b means y-intercept, so we should put minus 4 for b. So that is what I have done. X by a plus y by b is called y-intercept. Y-intercept value is minus 4 equal to 1. This is taken as first equation. So this is the equation of line, but we don't know what is a. So the line passes through which point? 1, 1. That is what we are writing. This passes through. This means this line passes through 1, 1. In place of x write 1, in place of y put 1. So you will get this. Take LCM or just cross multiply. 4 minus a divided by 4a will come. Take that to other side, becomes 4a. Right? Minus a comes this side, 5a. 5a equal to 4, a equal to 4 by 5. Now we found out what is a value. A means what? X-intercept. So from this equation 1, I am going to substitute this a value in this place. So it becomes x by 4 by 5 plus y by minus 4 equal to 1. 5 goes to numerator. 5x by 4. This plus and minus will become minus y by 4 equal to 1. Denominators are same. So 5x minus y is equal to cross multiplying 4. Bringing this to other side and writing the final equation. Hope you will understand which format we are taking. Intercepts form we are taking, out of which y-intercept we know, substituting that. The point we know, substituting x value and y value, finding out a value and substituting the a value here and simplifying and getting the equation. Try to understand. If not, see it one more time, definitely you will understand. And problem number 11. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 1, 1 with the slope 3. So this is very direct question, I think, because we need to find the equation of line. It passes through 1, 1. Slope is directly given. So point is taken as x1, y1 is equal to 1, 1. Slope symbol is m. So m is equal to 3. So we know slope point. So we have the heading slope point form, right? Slope point form. What is the equation of line in slope point form? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, right? So y minus, what is y1? 1. Y minus 1 is equal to m is 3 into x minus x1 is also 1. So in the formula, substitute m value, x1 value, y1 value. Just simplify. Bring 3 inside. This will come. Arrange it in order. 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. So this is direct formula. Next, problem number 12. Find the equation of line passing through 1, 1 and perpendicular from the origin makes an angle 60 degree with x-axis. So perpendicular line from the origin makes an angle 60 degree. So try and imagine that normal form. We have studied one format called normal form, where alpha is nothing but angle made by the perpendicular with x-axis, right? And the perpendicular from the origin, the perpendicular line drawn from the origin making an angle 60 degree with x-axis, which means this angle is nothing but alpha. But in normal format, if we just see, this is the actually equation of line in normal form, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p, out of which directly alpha is given, p is not given. P is nothing but distance between the origin and the point on the line, right? Yes or no? Just imagine this diagram otherwise. If this is the diagram and this is the line and this is called origin and this is called 1, 1. P is nothing but this distance O to M. This will be given the name as M. So OM is nothing but P. So distance between 0, 0 and 1, 1 is nothing but P. So that is why we are calculating P is equal to distance between these 2 points, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to, if I simplify, 1 will be getting here, we will get 1 here also, 1 plus 1 root 2. So P value is root 2. Writing the formula, in place of alpha put 60 degree, P value is root 2. Cos 60 1 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2. Denominators equal 2. So take the 2 other side, 2 root 2. Here it will be x into 1 x, y into root 3, y root 3 equal to this is the final equation. Try to understand this. We are doing in normal form of straight line. Problem number 13. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 1, 5 and also divides the coordinate axis in the ratio 3:10. Divides the coordinate axis, the meaning is intercept. If it intersects the coordinate axis, it is called intercept. Divides the coordinate axis in the ratio 3:10. This wording, divides the coordinate axis, the meaning is the intercepts ratio is given, because coordinate axis means x-axis and y-axis. The line divides x-axis and y-axis in the ratio. This means this is called intercepts ratio. The meaning is intercept. So what I'm going to write is ratio of intercepts was given to us. Ratio of intercepts is nothing but 3:10. Therefore I can, since ratio was given, I should add some constant with it. X intercept is given by, I cannot write 3, instead of that multiple of 3, 3a. Y intercept 10a. Try to understand, 3:10 is nothing but ratio of intercepts. So x intercept is 3a, y intercept is 10a. Even I can write 3b, 10b like that. Try to understand. So just adding one constant to what the ratio which was given to us. So since we know x intercept and y intercept, I am going to write the equation of straight line in intercept form. Also the straight line passes through which point? 1, 5. Now we will see. First we will write the formula now for straight line in intercept form. So the equation of straight line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Yes or no? I'll write the formula here. Actually the formula is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. What is actually a? A is called x intercept, but here x intercept is 3a. B is called y intercept. Here the y intercept is 10a. So we are writing x by 3a plus y by 10a equal to 1, taken as first equation. We know that the line, this straight line passing through 1, 5. So put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5 in the above equation. You will get this. 5 and 10 gets cancelled, becomes 1 by 2. LCM for 3a and 2a is 6a. So this will be multiplied by 2. Numerator becomes 2. Denominator 3. Numerator becomes 3. So 2 plus 3, 5. Cross multiplying. 6a is equal to 5. A value we are getting 5 by 6. Since we know a value, we can take this a value and substitute in these two places. We will get the equation of straight line. So from first equation, substituting a is equal to 5 by 6 in place of a, 5 by 6. And cancelling 3 with 6, 2 goes to numerator, you will get this. Cancelling 10 and 6, this becomes 5, this becomes 2. 5 5s are 25, 2 goes to, 3 goes to numerator. 5 and 25 LCM is 25. This becomes 10x because into 5. This LCM is properly present, so 3y will come as it is. Cross multiplying, this is the equation of the straight line. These are all simple sums. By just simply seeing, you can easily understand. We'll go for sum number 14. Population of a city in the years 2005 and 2010 are given by 1,35,000 and 1,45,000 respectively. Again I repeat, population of a city in the year 2005 and 2010 are this and this respectively. Find the approximate population in the year 2015. Assuming the population growth is constant. Constantly the population is growing, which means we need to find the approximate population in 2015. What data it is given to us? 2005, this is the population. 2010, this is the population. So with this data, we will try and find out what is the population in the year 2015. So we will start like this. Let the years denote x. Let the year be x and population be y. So x means we are talking about year. Y means we are talking about the population. So what is given to us? X1 comma y1 is this, because x means year. So x1 is 2005 is nothing but year. Y1 is nothing but population. So in this year, this is the population. That is the meaning. X2 comma y2 is also given to us. What it is? Year is 2010 and the population is 1,45,000. So x1 y1 and x2 y2. We are writing the given data as 2 points. And what we are going to do next is, we are going to try and find the equation of straight line passing through these 2 points. Try to understand what I am telling. First, x denotes year and y denotes population. Therefore, from the given question, we got 2 points, x1, y1, x2, y2. What is the meaning that we will take? In 2005, this is the population. In the year 2010, this is the population. What we are going to do next? We are going to calculate the equation of straight line passing through these 2 points. So equation of straight line passing through 2 points formula we are writing. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. Substitute the corresponding values here. Subtract these two, 5 gets. If you subtract these two, it becomes 10,000. 5 and 10,000 gets cancelled, becomes 2,000. Cross multiply it and you will get this. Minus 1,35,000 comes to other side, becomes plus. So only y stands here. This is taken as equation number 1. What is y actually? Y means population. What is x actually? X means year. So we got one equation now. This is the equation of straight line. What we have to find actually, we need to find what is the population in the year 2015. So year means what is the symbol we are giving? X. So this is taken as x. So what I am going to do is substitute x is equal to 2015 in this equation. Since year means x for us, so this is year. In this year we need population. So take this x 2015 as x and substitute in this equation. So in place of x I am putting 2015. Subtracting becomes 10. 10 into 2000, 20,000 plus this equal to y. So when we add these two, it becomes 1,55,000. So we are writing the conclusion as, therefore the population in the year 2015 is approximately equal to 1,55,000. Hope you will understand. We are using the equation of straight line concept here to find the population in the year 2015. Going to the next sum, problem number 15. 15th sum. Find the equation of the line if the perpendicular drawn from the origin makes an angle 30 degree with the x-axis and its length is 12. I repeat, find the equation of the line, straight line, if the perpendicular drawn from the origin makes an angle 30 degree with x-axis and its length means the perpendicular's length is 12. And if we want to draw the diagram for this, I'll just draw the rough diagram here. This is the diagram. Actually, they are asking us to find the equation of this line. This line name is L. So this is the line that we are going to find out, equation. This is the origin and the perpendicular drawn from the origin, and this point is denoted as M. And the perpendicular drawn from the origin makes an angle 30 degree with x-axis. So this angle is nothing but 30 degree. So this is called alpha, right? And its length is 12. Length means OM. So this length is given by 12. And what is this? P. So try to understand the question using the diagram. So in this question, alpha is given as 30 degree and the length of the perpendicular is given as 12. So P is equal to 12. So immediately we understand that this is a straight line in normal form. So immediately we are going for the formula. Equation of straight line in normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. In place of alpha put 30 degree, in place of P put 12. Cos 30 root 3 by 2, sin 30 1 by 2. See, the LCM is same, 2 and 2. So 2 will get cross multiplied, becomes 24. This is root 3x plus y. Root 3x plus y is equal to 24 is the equation of this straight line. Question number 16. Find the equation of the straight lines passing through 8, 3 and having intercept whose sum is 1. Problem number 16. Find the equation of straight lines, plural form is given, passing through this point 8, 3 and having intercept whose sum is 1. What is the meaning? Intercept means two intercepts are there, x-intercept, y-intercept. Whose sum is 1 means when we add the two intercepts, answer is 1. That is what they have given. So given A is called x-intercept, B is called y-intercept. If we add the two intercepts, answer is 1. This is given to us. From this we are taking A to other side and keeping as first equation. B is equal to 1 minus A. Since intercepts are given, we are writing the equation of straight line in intercept form. What is intercept form? X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. X by A plus y by B. What is B? 1 minus A. Substitute that here, equal to 1. Right? And this line passing through which point? 8, 3. So I am going to use this condition in the next line. So in place of x we will put what? 8. In place of y we will use 3. That is what the next step is. Since the line passes through the point 8, 3, x is written as 8, y is written as 3. Now cross multiplying 8 into 1 minus a plus 3a. LCM is a into 1 minus a, that gets cross multiplied here, right? Bring 8 inside, a inside, so you will get this line. Now simplify 8, combining these two, minus 5a, and this I have written as it is. Now arranging, minus a square come to other side, plus a square, a comes this side minus a, so it becomes minus 6a plus 8 equal to 0. Quadratic equation, so factorization, two factors we are getting, so a minus 4 into a minus 2 equal to 0. Now I am having two values for a, one is 4, other one is 2. So immediately I am going to substitute this in the equation that I am having. What is the first equation? B is equal to 1 minus a. This is called first equation. In this first equation, put a as 4. What happens? B is 1 minus 4 minus 3. A is another value for a is 2. Put 2 here. 1 minus 2 becomes minus 1. So we got two set of values. So case 1. A is 4, B is minus 3. What is the straight line equation? X by A plus y by B equal to 1. Cross multiply and simplify. LCM is 12. This and plus into minus will become minus here. So 3x minus 4y, LCM is 12, will go here, becomes the equation. Case 2, another set of value, a is 2, b is minus 1. Same formula, equation of line x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Again plus and minus will become minus. So cross multiplying x minus 2y. 2 is the LCM, that will go in the right hand side. So x minus 2y equal to 2 is another equation. So since case 1 and 2 are there, we get 2 equations for the straight lines. I think you will understand. We will stop up to this. Again I repeat, if you don't have time to see the video today, at least on Sunday or Monday you just see this and complete your classwork. Once again, I am wishing you, on behalf of our school management, that is our correspondent and principal, happy Diwali. Thank you, children.